my colleague are asking 5,000.
Wow!
And she said she will not give it back to me. So I told her I will give ora mismo. Now. I will give 5,000. 5,000 dirham. Sorry. Okay.
Not even many.
5,000 dirham. So she want 5,000. So I will give her check. She can withdraw anytime. 5,000 only? Don't worry, my dear. You are my beloved, my friend.
I threw so much of his son.
Thank you.
Take it.
Oh my god.
5,000.
It's so worth it. 5,000. It's
I
so
said
good.
5,000. See what it is?
Sana all.
No need
Sana
to
all
give it back,
5,000.
huh? Okay, so don't give it back. See, I'm very generous.
Yeah. Very helpful.
What you can see?
Very helpful. I have never been like this friend in my life.